Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Opus Training fitness app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Opus Training is a fitness app designed to help users follow structured workout programs created by professional coaches. It focuses on strength, conditioning, and performance-based training, offering step-by-step guidance for home and gym workouts. Users can access daily training plans, track workout progress, and receive technique tips to improve form. The app supports both beginners and advanced athletes with personalized adjustments based on performance data. The app's main feature is its guided training system. You select your program, follow the coach-designed sessions, and track each exercise with clear instructions. Opus Training also offers video demonstrations, intensity targets, and progress analytics to help users train effectively and reduce guesswork during workouts. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, well-structured programs, and professional-level coaching. The app is especially praised for its training quality and progressive workout plans that adapt to your goals. Progress tracking tools and detailed exercise breakdowns make it easier for users to stay consistent and motivated. However, there are some drawbacks. Most advanced programs require a subscription, and some users feel the free version is too limited. A few users also mention occasional syncing issues and missing customization options for highly specific training styles. Additionally, beginners may find certain workouts challenging without prior fitness experience. In summary, the Opus Training app may be worth using if you want structured, coach-designed training plans, clear exercise guidance, and tools to track your fitness progress. However, if you prefer fully customizable routines or don't want to pay for premium programs, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.